Tonight, two people are facing charges in the death of a teenager who was killed in a drunk driving crash.
That's right. Police have charged the teen who was allegedly behind the wheel and the man who's accused of hosting the party that led up to that crash. Tonight, News 8's Josh Scheinblum is live in Hartford with more. Josh?
That accident happened back in August, and over the last several months, authorities have been trying to put the pieces together to figure out how exactly it happened. And today, authorities announced the News 8 they've made 2 arrests, and one adult we saw actually go in front of Manchester Superior Court to face several charges against him in connection with that accident. Right now, he's facing His name is Paul Sabiga, and he's facing 28 counts of reckless endangerment as well as 28 counts of giving minors the opportunity to illegally possess liquor. Now, with those charges, he could be facing some very serious problems as a result of that. His lawyer took some time to speak on his behalf, speaking strongly about his character. Now, he's not the only person that's facing a number of charges in connection with this alleged crime. There's also a 17-year-old that was arrested because of his age. Authorities aren't releasing his name, but he did appear in Willimantic on $150,000 bond. Make sure you stay with us here on News 8 for the very latest information on this story as it continues to develop and both men find themselves back in front of a judge. For now, we are live in the Hartford newsroom. Josh Scheinblum, News 8.